Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in your Ford Expedition. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct new motor oil and a fresh oil filter. Park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin. Now, let's drain the old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath to catch the used oil. Slowly remove the plug and allow all the old oil to drain completely into the pan. This step ensures you remove as much old oil as possible. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter, then add the recommended amount of new motor oil through the fill cap. Check your owner's manual for the exact oil capacity. Finally, let's wrap up. Check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the drain plug and new filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.